Choosing the right AC servo motor can be challenging. Low torque, unstable speed control, overheating, and poor encoder accuracy can ruin CNC and automation projects. That's where modern AC servo motor kits stand out. They deliver precise positioning, smooth high-speed rotation, and reliable closed-loop control for professional results. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best AC servo motors for CNC, robotics, and automation. We researched specs and user feedback to create this list. Links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews.
Number 5. PFDE AASD15A Driver 80 ST-M02430 AC Servo Motor Kit. The PFDE AASD15A with 80 ST-M02430 servo motor delivers 750 watts of power and 2.39 Newton-meters torque at 3,000 RPM, making it ideal for CNC routers and DIY simulators. Designed for 220-volt single-phase input, this kit includes a matched driver for smooth, closed-loop performance. It offers stable speed control, quick response, and reliable torque output under load. The system is easy to integrate into engraving machines and automation setups. If you want solid precision at an affordable level, this kit is a dependable starting point. Number 4. STEPPERONLINE A6 RS485 AC Servo Motor Kit. The STEPPERONLINE A6 RS485 AC Servo Kit is available in 400 watt, 750 watt, and 1 kilowatt options, giving flexibility for different CNC applications. It features a 17-bit absolute encoder for accurate positioning and reduced signal loss. With 220 VAC input and RS485 communication, it integrates easily into modern control systems. The included driver ensures stable torque and smooth acceleration even at higher speeds. Perfect for CNC engravers and automated machinery, this kit offers professional-grade precision and reliability. Number 3. Tohigher AC Servo Motor Kit. The Tohigher AC Servo Motor Kit comes in multiple power options from 100 watts up to 1,000 watts, with 40mm, 60mm, and 80mm flange sizes. It includes a dedicated driver and optional brake system, making it suitable for vertical or high-load applications. Designed for CNC machines and automation projects, it provides smooth rotation, strong torque stability, and responsive control. With flexible sizing and power choices, this kit adapts well to both small DIY builds and industrial-level equipment. Number 2. TEHIGHAUTO Delta E3 Series AC Servo Motor Kit. The TEHIGHAUTO Delta E3 Series Servo Kit supports 400 watt, 750 watt, and 1 kilowatt configurations with multiple flange sizes up to 180 millimeters. It features a high-precision 22-bit encoder for ultra-accurate positioning and smooth motion control. Supporting pulse input and EtherCAT communication, it integrates seamlessly into advanced CNC and automation systems. Designed as a replacement for B2, B3, and A2 models, this kit delivers industrial-grade performance, high-speed response, and dependable torque output for demanding environments. Number 1. DUAN 220-volt AC Servo Motor Kit. The DUAN 220-volt AC Servo Motor Kit stands out with power options from 200 watts to 1 kilowatt and flange sizes of 60 millimeters and 80 millimeters. It supports 17, 21, and 23-bit single or multi-turn absolute encoders for exceptional positioning accuracy. With pulse, EtherCAT, and CAN-open communication support, it fits modern automation and industrial control systems perfectly. Strong torque stability, smooth high-speed rotation, and flexible configuration make this kit the top choice for CNC machines and advanced robotics.
If you need precise motion control, strong torque, and reliable performance, AC servo motor kits are the best solution for CNC and automation. These 5 models offer powerful drivers, accurate encoders, and flexible configurations. Whether for DIY builds or industrial systems, there's a perfect option here. Which one fits your project? Comment below and subscribe for more reviews.